Rifles for Peace, Sleeping Infant Art, and A Heavenly Voice Goes Mainstream. But first, glassmaking is an ancient art that has made the Venetian Isle of Murano famous around the world. Now a new exhibition in the neighbouring Isle of San Giorgio Maggiore pays tribute to a golden age of this craftsmanship through the experimental work of architect Carlo Scarpa. Bowls, vases and glasses with a myriad of patterns, textures and colours show why Scarpa was seen by many as a creative genius of the 20th century. Since the Soviet army started using it more than 60 years ago, the AK-47, commonly known as Kalashnikov, has become one of the world's deadliest weapons. In a new art project in London, though, they have been completely transformed by 20 contemporary artists. The exhibition, which includes works by renowned British artists such as Damien Hirst, Anthony Gormley and Mark Quinn, will be followed by a charity auction. When 2-year-old Nuno goes to bed, a new world emerges around her. As soon as she falls asleep, her mother, Mami Koida, turns her into the star of hundreds of pictures, ranging from the cute to the fantastic. Using items such as clothes, towels, socks and vegetables, Koida creates scenes she thinks represent what her daughter sees in her dreams. The everyday life of Friar Alessandro revolves around the Basilica of Santa Maria degli Angeli in the Italian city of Assisi, where his duties include assisting the visiting pilgrims, doing some carpentry and singing for his congregation. Now his audience is about to become a lot bigger after he signed a record deal with a major label. But the proceedings from his first album will go to charitable work, as Friar Alessandro has taken a vow of poverty.